Good evening. Welcome again. I'm Cynthia, and I'm here with Doug, and we will help you make money in the stock market with information you will not find anywhere else. I give you the information Thursday, you see it in the Wall Street Journal on Friday. I'm telling you. I came in here with tidbits. You look at this. I came in here with tidbits Thursday night. I saw them on the cover of the Wall Street Journal on Friday. It doesn't matter. Would you rather have it on the Friday morning in your paper, or would you rather know Thursday night so you can sleep on it?
In any event, we're here, and it's whatever
You're
day
just
it
jealous.
is. I am.
Because I'm such a clairvoyant.
You are clairvoyant. You have special talents, that is true.
Anyway, so we're doing the Fox-Pitt Kelton conference. Tell us about that. Give us a little bit of your...
Small and mid-cap banks and insurance conference, right?
Small and cap banks and what?
And small and mid-cap banks and insurance, right?
Okay.
And very interesting, controversial time, turbulent time for them right now. The FDIC the other day stopped a small cap bank from paying its dividend because they said it might threaten the level of reserves because they have like a lot of bad loans.
Yeah.
So very interesting, and we have lots of them. Why don't you tell the nice people where they can see all of them?
Well, if you want to follow all of them, you can wsw.com/webcast/FPK5.
But because we're Wall Street Media, you were nice enough to come in and help out, and you don't have to watch the whole thing.
I'll tell him. Let me tell him.
Okay.
Let me give him feedback. All right. Here's the skinny. Here's the skinny on Wall Street Media and what we do here. What we do is we go to the conferences, we take notes, we filter through those notes, and we give you the most pertinent information that can make you the most intelligent investor that you could possibly be.
You are the greatest.
And that is what we do for you.
And we've got a great video here.
We put our money where our mouth is, and you can follow everything we say on Covestor, and you can also follow other investors on Covestor, and maybe you can become a big shot on Covestor.
That's right.
That would be the dream of mine.
That is.
Anyway, so we're going to get straight into, I have a video from Jilly Talent, President and CEO of United Community Banks, or ticker UCBI. Describes the opportunities for the company that are stemming from the population and job growth in Atlanta, Georgia. Dirty South. Here we go.
Also, too, there's a lot of talk about Atlanta today. And there's no question has its challenges in the construction and the A&D portfolios. But Atlanta today is still projected to grow population-wise 150,000 people a year for the next 5 years. Also, job growth is still good. It's not excellent. It's not at the level that we have seen over the past few years, but this year is projected to be at 25,000 jobs with a pretty sizable increase in 2009. It's also important to understand that within our footprint, there's over $100 billion of deposits. And today we only have basically 7% of that. And given the fact that 70% of this company is organically grown, huge opportunities continue to exist for our company. I think here's another way to look at it. If you drill down into each state, to the county, to the city, and where United Community Bank has offices, of the 109 offices, and then you look at every bank across this country between $5 billion and $50 billion, and then look at the population growth projection over the next 5 years down to those particular locations, United has the number one footprint in that regards. And we're real pleased with that. We do feel that will continue to give us opportunities to expand. But de novo expansion has played a huge role in that organic growth that United has experienced. And this just shows you some of the expansion. Actually, there's 20 locations over the last 30 to 35 months. And this has been a key strategy for our company. Hasn't changed. It's all about built around bankers with experience that has the culture that we're looking for in those particular markets that's got high growth potential.
And that is President and CEO Jimmy Talent.
Now, do you know what?
What do you know?
You're my talent. This is speaking of talent, Raymond James has a talented analyst named James
You're
Rose.
in love with Raymond James.
I like their analysts, right? And he has just started covering them like a week or so ago and put them at Outperform and said they can withstand a draconian scenario of losses because they have such a strong capital position, right? And he thinks there's a good risk-reward dynamic now for owning them. And I may add these guys to my portfolio, which you can see on covestor.com. I don't say that about every one.
I'm going to add that to my vocabulary.
Yeah.
Draconian syndrome.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I love it.
Hey.
All right, let's get straight into John Michael, President and CEO of RLI Corp, or ticker RLI. Oh, clever. Discuss the reasons why the company is not tied to any specific distribution system and that they are currently 90% underwritten and have just added a Fidelity underwriting review. Eugene Bullis, EVP, or Executive Vice President and CFO of the Hanover Insurance Group, ticker THG, spoke about the company's newly developed specialty products, their high-quality investment profile, and their 10.5% increase in book value. Stan Galansky, President and CEO of the Navigators Group, or ticker NAVG, talked about the company's continuing development of their U.S. excess and surplus lines business and their internet products EPL, LPL, and personalumbrella.com. John M. Turner, President of Whitney Holding, ticker WTNY, spoke about the company's emphasis on expanding in larger cities, especially Houston and Louisiana, and its push for national presence, propelled by the recent merger with Parish National Bank, which will help to add to the Louisiana-based company's adequate reserves for inherent losses, which disasters like Katrina had tested. And again,
hey, Cynthia.
What do you got for us? Anything before we go?
No, we're going to have more Fox-Pitt. We're going to have more William Blair tomorrow.
I like Fox-Pitt.
I like Fox-Pitt. Very interesting.
Fox-Pitt, Kelton.
I like the bank.
Don't forget about Kelton.
I'm being cool. I'm just saying Fox-Pitt.
Yeah.
I'm a little too cool.
I'll just say Wall Street, leave out the media. I'm being cool.
You are.
I'll just say Sigmund, forget about the Freud. It's real nice. Sorry, Kelton, I care about you.
Okay.
Anyway, so we've got FPK5, WSW.com/webcast/FPK5. Don't forget the Kelton. So we'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks for joining us. We're here every day. Don't forget to leave us feedback. Just click down below. Don't forget to also take a look at Covestor. What else we got? Investopedia?
Investopedia.
Any terminology you hear on here that you can't figure out, I'm on Investopedia. You should be there too.
That's my buddy Corey's site.
I know. I need the help sometimes, you know.
Yeah, so do I.
I've gotten really good from there.
Can I tell you something?
I've been doing really well.
So do I. A lot of times, I'll be breezing through some of the articles and they get a little too,
They try.
Yeah.
They should be clear.
Throwing a few too many terms. And I run over to Investopedia. It's free. Type it in. Look it up. Thank you, Corey.
Everything we tell you about is free. We just give things away.
We do.
We are on clearance.
We're very nice people.
We are on clearance. Buy one, get one free. You got the free Investopedia. You got the free Covestor.
Where's the free
you got
one?
the free show.
Buy one, get one free? Or buy one, get one free.
Oh,
bad deal.
Anyway, again, we're here every day. Thanks for joining us. Have a great night. Say good night, Doug.
Good night, Doug.
WSWMCO.com. See you again soon.